Have you ever sent an email and then wished you kind of hadn't? You know the one, you're in a hurry, you rush, you click send, and then you think, oh no, I've made a mistake in that, or I didn't really want to say that. And you click tools and there's this recall feature and you hit recall and you thought, yes, I'll get it back before the other person reads it. In this video, I'm going to explain to you why that recall thing happens, what it really means, and how if you're using G Suite and Gmail, you can actually do that without getting yourself into a bit of a pickle. Recall is a feature of a different product to Gmail. It's a feature of Microsoft Outlook. Let's have a look at it now as I'll take you through some screen examples of what this recall is about and why there is a bit of a misconception about it.
Here we are looking at a Microsoft document that explains you can recall or replace an email message you just sent when you use Outlook. Except it's not that straightforward. Second paragraph down clearly states message recall is available after you click send. And it's available only if both you and the recipient have an Office 365 or Microsoft Exchange email account in the same organisation. There's the key bit, in the same organisation. I can only hold it up to Microsoft here. They don't really make this obvious to you. If you use Outlook, there's this thing here that says actions, recall this message. It looks like it's all going to work. When you click on it, you get this dialog box that comes up that says, yeah, you're going to recall the message and no one's going to see it. And you think, happy days, I've got away with it. Microsoft don't make it clearly obvious. If you try and use this feature, it's not going to work. And this is why there is this misunderstanding about this part of Outlook.
There you are. You can see now Microsoft intended it for you to send an email to a fellow colleague and then say, I want to take that back, and you can recall it because it stays inside your organization. But of course, most of us send email to different people in different companies, and it's not designed for that. Except that when you use it in Outlook, it doesn't tell you that. It acts as if it's worked. Don't use the recall feature. It's a waste of time. Don't click send unless you're sure what you want to write is going to be sent and read by somebody else. If you're a Gmail user, you have got a different option. I'll take you through in this next section now and show you the undo feature in Gmail.
Here we are in my Gmail. I'm in the drafts folder. I'll open up a draft email and we'll send it to the wrong person with the wrong message. There we go. I'm going to send it to Kyle at his own personal address. I'm calling him an idiot and saying to him, you're an idiot, Kyle. And now I'm going to click send. Message has gone. I've sent it. Uh-oh. Look, I've still got time. I've still got time to undo, and I've undone it. Sending undone, and it's back in my drafts, and I haven't called him an idiot. That's pretty cool. That's how you can actually do that in Gmail. So how do you set it up? Use the little cog icon in the top right hand corner for your settings. Go into the settings, and when the settings load up, you've got here the option undo send, send cancellation period, and you can have 5 seconds if you like to live dangerously, 10, 20 or 30. Now this kind of depends how often you make a mistake. 30 is pretty good, but you'll find it's in the bottom left hand corner all the time when you send messages, and you have to be a little bit more patient. Somewhere in 10 or 20 is not a bad place to be. 5 sometimes too short for you to realise that you might have made a mistake. I like 10 or 20 as a good way of balancing it, so I'm going to go back to 10 seconds. But you can see, if you're the kind of person that accidentally sends stuff by mistake, you can have 30 seconds and you can get away with it.
There. Can you see how simple that is to use? You get up to 30 seconds to click undo when you send an email. Either you've sent it by mistake, and I've done that. I've accidentally hit it with my keys, with my fingers, and I've sent it and gone, I haven't finished it yet. I've got 30 seconds to undo it and bring it back. Likewise, you might send something in haste and then kind of wish you hadn't. You got 30 seconds to get yourself out of jail. After that, it's gone. The key to this stuff is to remember, if you click on send, it's gone. So there you go, the recall feature. Don't use it. Only use undo in Gmail if you want to stop saying what you've said. Outside of that, you sent it, you said it. Hope this has been helpful for you. That's the whole reason we do these videos. We want people to get better at using computers so they can spend less time at work and maybe spend some more time at home with the family and the people that they love. Thanks for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Ta-da.